Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with PropertyNest, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by downloading and installing the PropertyNest app from your preferred app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the budgeting section on the main dashboard. Select the option to create a new budget. Enter a title for your budget to help you identify it later. Next, input your total income for the budgeting period. Add your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Then, include your variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. You can set limits for each expense category to help keep track of spending. Review your entries carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, save your budget. You can monitor your spending by accessing the budget summary regularly. Use the app's reporting features to view your progress and get insights. Adjust your budget as necessary based on your spending habits and financial goals. Remember to check in weekly to stay on track with your budgeting. With these steps, you're all set to effectively budget using PropertyNest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.